People are often surprised with how they look after a hair transplant in a positive way. My experience has been that people often expect a very visible result afterwards in a negative way. But the scalp heals quite quickly. So after a week where the hair has been transplanted, it's relatively difficult to spot that there's been surgery. And by 2 weeks, you don't expect other people to know that you've had surgery performed. Now that is bearing in mind it depends on the design of where the grafts are placed. We believe in a subtle appearing hairline. We believe in one that is, the aim is to give somebody an age appropriate hairline. And with that design in mind, you will typically expect that it's not noticeable to other people that they've had a hair transplant after 2 weeks. In terms of the two different types of surgeries, FUT, the strip procedure, leaves you with a linear scar. There's going to be a period of time where you'll be more aware than other people are that you've a scar there, because we'll often have a conversation with someone about the length of their hair. And because of where the linear scar is placed, your native hair tends to shingle down over where the scar is and make it very difficult for other people to see that. When it comes to FUE, where you take out the different follicles individually, you'll shave the scalp. And what you'll see happen is that the hair grows a lot faster than people realize. And again, the FUE syncs more with this concept of taking a week until very few people will see that there's been a transplant performed. But after 2 weeks, the hair is regrown, the scars are not visible either where the hair has been taken from or where they've been placed.